Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 26, Radio Frequency, Moteino ASC, Mk03. Send and receive. These RF transmitter modules are very small in dimension and have a wide operating voltage range. The low-cost RF transmitter can be used to transmit signal up to 100 meters. It is good for short-distance, battery-powered device development. These wireless transmitters work with 433 MHz receivers. They are breadboard friendly and also work great with microcontrollers to create a very simple wireless data link. Amplitude-Shift Keying. Amplitude-Shift Keying, or ASC, is a form of amplitude modulation that represents digital data as variations in the amplitude of a carrier wave. In an ASC system, a symbol, representing one or more bits, is sent by transmitting a fixed amplitude carrier wave at a fixed frequency for a specific time duration. For example, if each symbol represents a single bit, then the carrier signal could be transmitted at nominal amplitude when the input value is 1, but transmitted at reduced amplitude or not at all when the input value is 0. These modules use a technique known as amplitude-shift keying to transmit digital data over the radio. In amplitude-shift keying, the amplitude of the carrier wave, 433 MHz signal in our case, is modified in response to an incoming data signal.
Now the radio wave here. This we'll see here. This send and receive ACK here, so good for this. Now the project for ACK here, send and receive. This will only know here and here. This first serial port here, and here battery here. So this the send here and receive here. So perfect. Formation here, to include here, nodes 1, network here, cellular port here, encrypt for key, the radio here, this LEDs here, version here, and the wave here, and that's it. This setup for this nods and encrypted the key, and this listen here and receive here. Complete and perfect here. Set up for ports here, LEDs, and here the radio wave. The send here, same thing. The radio wave here and sleep. Value here, nodes 2. So this, there's 1 and 2. Same thing, the work here, the way here, ACK here for and serial port here. Same thing, encrypt and key here. The 1 second here, input. this the radio wave, include pay like the here, payload, act good or bad, the LEDs here, version here, and this radio wave here, and delay 1 second here. This the setup for here, key for here, delay and sleep, and this the receiver for here. Read here, send here, 1 here, and the LEDs here I, and after the key, send here and payload, and act here. So, and the LEDs down, and sleep. This act here. Same thing here for serial port here, LEDs, and set up for radio, and that's it. Now the here, the now is good, and here is good. This here, receive here, and send and receive. This, the LEDs here and here, go here and receive, and here, perfect. Now, here this receive but act no. So now this now act good. So the send and receive good. Bye-bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.